Oh, hey everyone. Welcome back. I just got the Needler here, and wanted to give you a heads up of what the heck is going on, because there's been so much change, and here's something for you to know that you might not be familiar with. The YouTube algorithm is this really weird and bizarre place, and you might not care about it, but basically, look, 2 years ago, I could post 5-6 times a day, and the YouTube algorithm loved it because everybody cared about all news. All news in one place, just more news. It didn't really matter what it was on. It could be politics, stocks, real estate. There was so much uncertainty, everybody needed to know everything. Today, though, we're in a very different place. We're sort of laser focused in terms of what we're interested in. So we have folks who are interested in finance, whether that's real estate, stocks, or crypto. Then we have folks who are interested in getting started. Then we have folks who are interested in the daily news. Then people want different perspectives. Then people want politics. And then everything I just listed, there are people who don't want any of those things. So it's really been one of those challenges that as a creator, honestly, since about the beginning of 2022, I've been trying to figure out how do you deal with this sort of transition, this trajectory of essentially things just being different than they were in 2020 and 2021. And that's led to, at least, and let's just call a spade, what is clearly now what appears to be rashness and uncontrolled sort of changes. I want you to know it's all an inspiration for trying to figure out what is the best thing to do. See, there's, you've heard this quote before. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing and expecting different results. So there are people commenting on this new schedule that we're going to talk about. I'm going to pull it up right here. People are commenting on this. And they're saying, Kevin, can you just have it all in one place? And I'm like, look, we did that for 2 years. It didn't work. It doesn't work. So this is what we're going to do so that way I can provide you value where you want it. I talk to hundreds of you, dozens in person, phone calls, messages, emails, Discord messages, comments, and all of this is a consolidation of what everybody's looking for. And I'm down to commit. I can do this, and I know this might initially seem like a lot, but I have a plan for a reason, okay? So that I can pull this off. And if you look at it closely, the days are very morning heavy, and then I'm pretty free for family and real estate on the weekends and during the rest of the day, which is when it matters anyway. Remember, I'm West Coast, right? So I could get a lot of work done by 10 a.m. and have the rest of the day ahead of me. So this is what we're planning. Meet Kevin channel, fewer topics. So on this channel, rather than, 6 videos a day, maybe we'll get down to like 5 videos a week, something like that. So we'll have sort of our edited together market breakdowns, real estate breakdowns, reactions, 0 to millionaire, noob versus pro, bringing back some of the best content. Really, again, the reason to kind of unlist and then bring back is so that way we could filter out all of the old news. And then that way what you have on this channel is just a whole archive of great high quality content. Then what we'll do, because everybody really wants this, and I am honestly blown away with how many people want this, but it is the one thing that everybody agrees on is they want the market open lives. So we'll do the market open lives, 5:25 a.m. My commitment is to be on time, 5:25 every morning to 6:45 Monday through Friday when the market is open, no later than 5:25. So I might start earlier, depends how I feel. But if I want to start at 4:50, I can, but not later. Earlier is okay. We'll do the course member live right after that. That's where we'll go detailed into the usual course member things we do, whether it's Q&A, earnings analysis, fundamental analysis, real estate analysis, entrepreneurial talk, whatever we want to do. We'll do a public market close only when I'm local / not flying. So this will probably be more rare. Maybe if there's like an important earnings, like maybe, NVIDIA earnings are coming out, or it's a really special market close. But these will be more rare. So this is the one thing I don't want to commit to, because it's kind of a spear in the day if you think about it. 12:45 to like 1:15 p.m. That makes it really difficult to go fly anywhere anymore that day or work. Podcast channel, some of you love this, some of you don't. So we're going to separate it out. And on the days I fly, we'll just record this first thing in the morning and we'll post it at 3 o'clock. On the days I don't fly, we'll just go live at 3 p.m. So that'll be Monday through Friday. And then what we'll do is we'll do a Meet Kevin Politics channel. We'll start this around 9 a.m. So in which case I'm looking at this, we'll probably move up the recording of the podcast to 8. But anyway, on the Politics channel, so many people want my attempt at unbiased coverage in politics. And so many other people are like, please, I don't care about politics. I just don't want to hear about it. So I'm just going to parse this out. What I'll do is I'll go live with, look, I read the newspaper every day. I read a lot about, whether it's from Bloomberg or from Wall Street analysts, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. There's a lot about politics in there that I already understand and know and have perspectives on. So I'll deliver that. It shouldn't take that much more effort for me to just talk about it rather than not talk about it. So we're excited by that. The anyone who signed up for HouseHack, stackhack.com, that's financial advice, those videos will be out by 11/24. And then we're launching the all of the Noobverse Pro lectures by December 31 in the evening. And so this will all start tomorrow. This allows, I wrote here, this allows a wide open flight time and work time for HouseHack and family, really after 10 a.m. Monday through Friday, and then all day Saturday, Sunday, while providing maximum value and staying informed. So that's my plan. So my goal is to commit. As my kids like to say, oh, now I gotta fix this because now we're focusing over here. Commit to the bit. So there it is. This is like the Great Reset, except it's not an economic Great Reset. It's like Meet Kevin's Great Reset. So sorry you've had to deal with the volatility. Thank you for being here. I'll link all these different channels down below. And yeah, good luck today. We had another PPI confirmation that inflation is on its way out the door. Basically, straight up deflation on those month-over-month figures. But some of those retail sales and Empire survey figures are leaving the market a little like, which way are we going to go today? But that's the market for you. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Thank you so much. And yeah, I guess seriously, all I could say is thank you, because this is it's a ride being on YouTube. A lot of people leave lots of comments, many of them positive, some of them not so positive, and so it's a little hard sometimes to try to figure out what everybody wants and how to please everyone. You could never please everyone, but I'm going to do my best to provide value. Thanks, folks. Bye.
Why not advertise these things that you told us here? I feel like nobody else knows about this.
We'll try a little advertising and see how it goes.
Congratulations, man. You have done so much. People love you. People look up to you.
Kevin Paffrath there, financial analyst and YouTuber. Meet Kevin. Always great to get your take.